guys, hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a quick unboxing kind of video. It's going to be short and sweet. So I'm just showing you some things that I got from Amazon. I know you guys hear me talk about Amazon a lot. I am always shopping on Amazon for nail supplies. If it's not Amazon, it's eBay. If it's not eBay, it's AliExpress. If it's not AliExpress, it's I don't even know. Anyway, so here I'm showing you some new nail forms that I received. I really like these. I haven't used them yet. Firstly, they're super pretty, butterflies. I forgot how many I got. I was expecting it to be a roll, but this is fine. And look how long it goes up to. Like, it says 3XL, which is pretty long, which I like because I like doing long nails. And that's me trying to show you how long my nails are. So my nails are like at the large or long length or whatever, which I kind of already figured because I like long nails. So I got that. And then I got, I'm trying to see, let's see. Okay, so these are some rhinestones. These were super pretty. So they're 100 stones, 100 pieces. So each color you get 20 different shaped stones, and they're really shiny. I love the colors. That's the company, and I love when companies send little thank you cards. It's an incentive to always make sure you go back and you order from them or leave some feedback. So that's the company. And these stones, like, their shine is really nice, like really nice. And as you can see, I got 5 colors there. I got a little pink, a blue, a yellow, a greenish, 20 pieces each, like I said, so a total of 100. And I really like them. I'm always buying the rhinestones, always. This is my new Masika Kolinsky brush. I think it's a size 10. I had already took off the little plastic thing and took the little adhesive kind of thing they keep the brush together with. So it's a Kolinsky brush from Japan. This gave me heck to come to my house. First it said it was delivered, but it was delivered in a whole different part of Jersey. I'm in a different part of Jersey. It was too much. But I'm showing you the comparison in size. It's a really short brush, and I've never worked with a brush that short. So I'm showing you my Pana brush. It's the purple brush in a size 12, and I'm also showing you my Alpha brush, which I blinged out. And that's a size 12 as well. The Masika, I think it's pronounced, is really small. So I'm going to be trying it out. See how it works for me. That brush was like $20-something, mind you. So hopefully it's really good, but it is kind of short. Here it's my Winstonia stamping plates, the little circle stamping plates. I'm getting into stamping a lot. And that's mainly because I've gotten better at it. I sucked at first. I'm like, why do people do this? I hate this. But just like anything else with nails, when you're a novice, a newbie, or whatever, just practice. So I started practicing more, and I'm really enjoying it. So I'm just showing you some of the plates that come in here. So I think I got 20 or 25. I'm not sure. I think it's 20. And this was an awesome purchase. I really like it. I think the next thing I have to do though is get like a little like folder. I don't want to say folder, but a binder of some sort, just so I can display all my stamping plates. Because right now, like you see, these didn't come in the little book thing to hold them in. I have other stamping plates and it came with a holder, but the holder's small and you have to flip it and go. It's annoying. So I'm trying to find something that it can just display most of them at one time. So that would be my next purchase. And I got that idea from Isabel May Nails. That's what she does with that. And she does that with her transfer foils, which I have done. I will show you that in another video. So I put my transfer foils in like a photo album. And now I see all the colors and designs I have. I had transfer foils I didn't even know I had. Yeah. So in this little package, this came. Finally, I have my spider gels by Nicole Diary. So I think I got blue and red silver, black, and gold. I haven't tried them yet, but I am excited that they are here. And I want to see how it goes. It came with this, and I didn't show it on film. It came with a little brush to use the spider gel with. Like, it came with its own little applicator, kind of, which is really cool. And once again, guys, all of this stuff is from Amazon. So I will be recording me using it. And when I do use them in my other videos, I will drop the link below. Okay, bye, kitties. That's all for now.